Hey, what's up, guys? Are you everything well today? And of course, welcome, welcome to new video of the UEFA Champions League ball. And finally, 19. This is my birthday today, October 70. Now let's open this box of the Champions League ball. Let's see what's inside. There is this finally 19. Okay guys, let's open every. I got it open. It's the thing. Let's see. There you go. There you go. You can see ball. This is UEFA Champions League 2020. This is Capitano match ball replica. UEFA Champions League logo. Adidas. It's the same 2001 of the Champions League. Other logo. And look at this is size 5. You can see now size 5 of UEFA Champions League. The final 19. You can see it's the same 2005 of the final Istanbul. Anyway, guys, later you can see it's instructions of the ball and the pressure of the Champions League. Look, this is match ball replica in Capitano, and look, this is no cut in costuras, and you can. This is Capitano approved of the Champions League. Look, this is same rainbow. The colors is dark blue, light blue, yellow, pink, red, black, purple, green, light blue. You can see there is so much love. The Champions League ball. It's the same rainbow and ball, rainbow soccer ball with stars. The Champions League. This is Capitano approved. Look, this is shining. The Adidas is same. Say of the Adidas shirt, of football shirt, the Adidas, the Champions League of Barcelona. It's same the 2001 of the finally Milan of Champions League, while two logos of the Adidas and Champions Easter inside of stars. It's the same 2006 of the finally 2006 Paris. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For now I can see you the next time for a review. Bye now.